So, ikaw bang klaseng tao na permi ma-late or ikaw bang klaseng tao nga sayo jud permi 'no? I don't know kung asa kadapitan ang duha, but, muna itong istoryahan anin episode.
Hi, this is Owen, and this is Emoha Podcast.
So, in this episode actually, this is the episode where the response of our delayed episode, why it's a really a big thing for us na ngano kailangan gyud naman na siya ma-upload within the same day na among gisulting i-upload 'no, or among gi-schedule na dapat na mo na siyang i-upload. We have actually the reasons behind why, it's really a big thing for us and why we feel bad about it. But before that, atong paminawon ang atong mga sponsors. So nga naman gid na late gid mi ato 'no. Well, technically wala gid mi na late in YouTube and Spotify and all the podcast platform na amo ang gi-link in already sa amo ang channel. But we were late in Pinterest, Instagram, and also in Facebook. It's a really big thing for us because Facebook actually is our main traffic of this podcast because of our readable contents, because more or less we upload it daily. Some of the posters, some of the kanang mga newsletter for sure, and also some of the quotes and everything. No, so nami mga daily uploads in Facebook, whereas in Spotify and also in YouTube, we just upload it weekly is because of kanang audio and video raman namong i-upload din so actually among show notes okay na, among videos okay na po na ang among audio, and also all the contents humana na gid siya tanan no, but among nabantayan lang kay among thumbnail di ay may wala pa. So actually on that day, Wednesday night, duty ko is because I work from home, and also I work in the night shift, and somewhere around 4 o'clock in the morning, mumugin siya ako ang tig-out na gyud sa isbuntag no. So actually that one is already Thursday, and then somewhere 4:30 mohigda na tani ko, and then gitan-aw na ako akong YouTube channel before ko matulog, and then nakakita ko nga ano wala may thumbnail ang ako ang usa ka episode, ang bag-o lang na ako ano. So pag-check na ko sa Facebook, wa pa gid siya na-upload. So didto na ko nagdali-dali og post no. So wa ko natulog, balik ko sa akong computer, and then ano to, dali-dali kog edit and dali-dali kog post no. Usa sa among kauban na podcaster pod na ning-like siya sa akong post sa Instagram by the time ning post na ko ani episode katong 14th episode no. And then pagtan-aw na ko, sayo pa gid ang ako ang thumbnail. Moto again dali na sa kog edit, ang ako na pong gipang-edit na no, and then after that one gi-repost na po na akong balik. So more or less na late jud kog mga 16 hours no, which is not really reasonable hours na ma-late for 16 hours. Mo nag-ingon nga mawag kumpiyansa gyud kay ito. Nami checklist ato pero wa gyud na mo nakit-an nga ang thumbnail bugid ay wala dito no. So which is actually not really a good thing, and but also a good thing for us na nakakita din mi ato. It's because na this is actually a lesson learned for us also na di gid angay magkumpiyansa din no. So and so why it's so really a big thing for us na ngano man gyud na kailangan gyud naman na siya isulti you know. Well kung kalabantay mo sa mga Filipino, permi gid na malate ngano man. Ngano man gid na permi gid na malate ng mga Filipino no. But basin siguro tungod sa kanang mga gani I'll see you later. Mo no malit mo no. Well yeah, kidding aside, or maybe siguro ganahan lagi ng mga Filipino with a grand entry no. Kung mabantay mo na ka ng mga ligo magdagat na say mag-abot-abot mo kung asa mo labita mag-abot no, and then wala day mo na sila na huwat ako ninyo ha kay kuan inana no. Say mag-abot mo ka ng alas 9 buntag pero kabalugin mo na alas 10 na gid mo na makagikan no, because nagi mga late na mga tao, nagi mga dugay gid na mga maabot. Manigiingon nila no na if you are the last one to arrive, you will get noticed. Musay you feel so important siguro no na ngano jud na di sila kalakaw kung wala ka. You feel so important na gihuwat jud ka. Maybe because siguro inana gid ang mga Filipino siguro, or maybe sad siguro na dili jud ta ganahan na kita may mag-una no. Kay usahay mabash magutagod na manginta sayuha po nimo nang adlawon man, 'di ba? So which is actually not really a good thing for both kanang kuan na kung mosayo pug ka or ma-delayed ka no. So ana lang gyud sakto-sakto lang gyud ka sa time na mangingon kay alas 9 sa buntag na usay mo na siya. O sige mag-abot tag alas 8:45 kay alas 9 mang out. So ngano magitagaan pag yung 15 minutes. Because siguro anad gyud ta na malate as a Filipino, which is not really so a good thing no. And also siguro kita bugid siguro na kanang dili gid na mag-una-una gani. Di ta ganahan mag-una-una, maybe because mauwaw ta mag-una-una. And mo na siya mag usahay magud kung mag-una-una ka, usahay wala gyud ka na again mabash gyud ka sa ubang mga kauban nimo, which is not really so good actually, no. So but right now actually this is not about the person who will the last one to arrive, that you will get noticed, but the person who show up on time. I think that's the person now that will be noticed na in the new generation now, na I think muna siyang mga tawhana na ma-notice na when you show up on time. And I'm not saying that wala pa jud ko na late, no, or dili jud ko ma-late, no. But I just feel sorry for myself, no, na basta ma-late nako, no. I know in the previous years or maybe my early years na ako siguro na makaingon ko nga nagig kay mga lates, no, and that's the time siguro na usay mauwaw jud ka and you feel bad, and maybe because at that time siguro it's not really so a big thing because everybody is late po, no. So murag makaingon ka cultural na lang po siguro na okay lang ma-late lang anyway tanang tao sad ma-late man sad, no. So pati sad sa kay paminaw, no. I think I already said this one last time, or maybe most of the people said this one already, na we are already in the information age, and then everything you can check it in the internet, or maybe some of the kanang mga information na channel, no, na makuha nimo. But not all people actually is willing to show up on time. Yes, siguro makakita ka kung i-google na nimo or i-search nimo in any search engine, makita din mo na kung si gusto nimong paminaw, no, or gusto nimong makita. But ang ako lang is not all people will show up as a person and not as a search engine, no. Muna siyang makaingon ko nga I really feel bad when I'm late pag katong post na ako. So kung nakabantay mo, no, sa inyong trabahoan, nagi time mga maayo na mga employees, na yung mga time na mga kauban na to, makaingon ka nga maayo gid kay sila manabaho, no. Makaingon ka nga pang employee of the month gini sila. Kita ana pang kuan lang kita, pang employee of the moment na tanang sila pang employee of the month gid sila, no. So naagi sila'y mga kanang makaingon kag skills, they are smart, they're also kanang makaingon ka maayo gyud, but baw-an nato na sila na sila mo'y sigig absent and sila po'y sigig ka-late. And 'di ba, unsay feeling ninyo ana na kanang if ever magan ikaw mo po ng klaseng tawhana na maayo kay ka pero sige po kag ka-late, sige kag absent, daghang kag alibay, no. And 'di ba makaingon ka nga sayang nga po doy. And then ang sila ang mga tawo nga dili magdugay pud ana na kumpanya kung kabantay mo, no, sila po yung mga nawala na dayon. Which is actually makingog ka nga sayang gyud ang mga inana. So actually I can share a lot of stories. I have a hard lesson about this kind of topic in terms of my career, about showing up and about lates and about kung daghan kog mga stories I can tell, but I can give you one aspect of my life siguro na I will share. It's about the basketball team. So I'm a member of a basketball team. So it was a intercompany league. And then special kami ato because kabantay ka kung ikaw na ka sa team, special jud kay kay tagaan kag mga budget na kay mga usay usbo namong schedule. Daghan gyud mo pangga nimo basta you are in a team or in a basketball team or maybe in a special team siguro, no. Naa po gid may mga kao, no, among schedule i-adjust. Na may mga favorable na mga kanang schedules na makaingon ka na, okay nindot gini siya kay tungod lagi maka-practice pa ka, no. Nagid may practice, I think 3 times a week to atong panahon na, and then it's always Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then nindot gid among day off, nindot ang among mga schedules magabii. Pero ang akong mga kauban gid atong panahon na they're really good also, no. So kung tanawon nimo na siya as a team, ako mga kauban, they're shooters, they're dribblers, they're passers, tag-as pa gid sila mga layat, and then also katong mga centers na mo dagko gid may mga centers atong panahon na because I'm one of the big men on that team. Pero ang pangutangan lang ano sige magkapilde. So actually nagid may schedule practice. Dili na siya mawala among schedule practice is because gibayad gid siya sa kumpanya. But hapit na lang gid mahuman ang season ato or ang liga ato pero wa pa gid may daog. Pero dili day ang practice ang wala namo kundi ang among pagtungha. So kuwang mistungha ato, no. We need to show up during the practice because ang uban late or wala nakaabot sa practice, ang uban kay absent, kay gikapoy, and then pero naa gid ang practice namo. Ang schedule practice na pero ang players ra na dili mo tungha during practice. I think that's the lesson there. I think that's really my big lesson sa atong panahon na sige magkapilde, nindot kay among team, pero walay mo tungha during practice. So muna siya bisag unsay nimo kamaayo magod, pero dili nimo gamiton ang imuhang kamaayo sa saktong panahon, then wala gyapon na, no, di nimo na magamit gyud. And that's why we feel bad na nganong again na late to mo ang post at so actually we don't promise anything about this podcast about our postings, no. We just have this commitment to ourselves, to those people po na ganahan gid sila po makapaminaw sa mga content, no. Well, basically unsa difference between the promises and the commitment? Promise siguro as I define as the assurance of something na dapat mo na siya itong buhaton, no? But the commitment is actually the dedication of the work, of the output. I think that's the difference. I know maybe kana silang duha maybe kuan kina sila mabag medyo similar kina sila. I think I could say also that a promise is just the what you give or what you say to others, and commitment is what you do to others. Or I could say also that a promise is the oath, and the commitment is just the act. No, the act of commitment. No? So I think commitment is more on the action. No, so that's why we are actually so committed, and on this podcast, it's not that we promise something, but we're committed for something. No, so we have actually a particular thing of this channel where we're so kanang murag passionate about is the only the two things among particular, which is actually the episode and also the newsletter, and the rest of that one we can just remove or interchange, or maybe we can just be flexible with our post. But kaning episode and the newsletter is really a big thing for us. And why magyud na kaning duha? Let's talk about the newsletter first. So the newsletter, why it's Monday? It's because it's always start of the week. No, Monday is always start of the week and not Sunday, because Sunday is part of the weekend. That Monday is always the start of the week. Well, we encourage people to start something, and you can always start from somewhere. You can always start from scratch or your idea. Just start something, and then just also that's actually the reminder that the newsletter on Monday, that you can always start, and also that's just really a triggers in your head na you can always start something, not just to plan but also to start, no? So every time makakita ka sa mga newsletter, no, so please go and start now, no? So we'll go and start something. Why episode is on Wednesday? Well, actually our main reason why is just because Wednesday is actually the middle of the week, generally speaking. And most people quit in the middle, no? So after you start something, then you quit again. And that's also the reminder of ourselves that we don't quit in the middle. And you should also do that. Don't quit in the middle, no? And actually, our Wednesday episode is actually the supplemental reminder of start on Monday and then don't quit in between. So actually, you start on Monday as a newsletter, then Wednesday is just a reminder not to quit something that you started already, no? So that's our really main reason why Wednesday na naman siya ibutang ang kwan. So kung Thursday na siya, again, this is not already Wednesday, di ba? So mo to siya na hitabo sa mua ng na late to siya is because na upload na siya Thursday morning, which is we feel bad actually, no. And yeah, and maybe siguro Wednesday is that what I can call is an Owens day. It's Owen, so it's corny. Actually, wala gina siya, no. Basically, it's not our reason nga nagibutang naman na siya. It's just that it comes out naturally, and then we figure it out, no, when we started the podcast lately. And we okay, Wednesday is actually it's a cool thing, no. It's a Wednesday, you know. So yeah, that's why it's Wednesday. So that's basically don't quit in between when you start something, no. So yeah, that's the main reason why that two things siguro na amo ang so particular with it. But the rest of that one actually okay ra gyud kay siya, no. Quotes, we can change that one. Among Friday questions, among Sunday ads na mo, we can change that one actually. But on Monday and Wednesday, we don't change that one because that's actually our commitment to the things na amo yung gigibuhat. So yeah, and I think most of the content creator also, I think they feel also this way na, especially kining mga small time na mo like us, no, we're just a small time content creator, no. I think one thing siguro na they feel also the unlimited edits, no, wa gid na siya kahumana among edit, no, di gid may mahumana ng sa may mahumana ng edit na mo, no. Mo na siyang amo ang asawa na karon si edit. And then actually that's already part of our lives na mo na siya ang amo ang daily grind gid na siya, no, na di na mawala among edits, and we give out most of the time already after work, and usahay during work pag yun, during the break hours mag-edit pag yun na, no. And I think That's actually my workflow, and also maybe some of the podcasters pod, and or maybe some of the content creator, they also do that one. So I don't know. But more or less, di gina sila mahuman lang edit. Unless siguro kung ana ni siya kadako na nakaimuhang tig-edit sa imo ha, then maybe siguro kana maayo na siya no. But we do it alone. We don't have any assistant. And also I think that's also one thing na makaingon kong hard part or kanang mawag medyo downside as a content creator is that you need to separate your personal thing and your professional thing, because sometimes ang imuhang time in terms of personal busahay paunon pag na siya napagud kay work, so napagud na imong hobby or maybe imuhang podcast na imuhang build. So I think that's actually kanang mawag medyo makaingon kung lisod gyud na siya nadapita just to manage those things, no. And also I think the health issues, one of the things is also na makaingon ko na maglisod yun ang mga content creator is the health issues. By the time maglain mong lawas, magmasakit ka, di ka produce og content, no. And nakasuway na ko ana na lain gid mong lawas, but I need to stand up and I need to be in my computer and to make that content, to make that edit. That's actually one of the kanang makaingon kung why I'm doing this. No, or maybe siguro kamo kung wala mo ga-podcast and makapangutana mo na ako nga nagibuhat pang ginanimo no kakapoy ra ana no. But yeah, we feel actually quitting. We feel the laziness, no. We feel tired. But because of that reminders of that Monday and Wednesday nga among commitment, that's the time we don't quit, and that's the reason actually nga we always jump out in the bed and make that content, make that thing na among gustong ibuhaton, no. So I guess that's really the end of my episode. And once again, no, we are sincere with our apology. I know apology is not really needed. It's a better way to say sorry still. So actually, the thoughts that we really want to leave today for this episode actually is just the three things, no, the late, the don't quit, and the commitment, no. So first, the late one, break the culture of being late. Ayaw kaawaw nga ikaw mo'y una maabot. The earlier, the better. And next one is actually don't quit in the middles, because that's the best time for you to show up. That's the best time for you to correct your behavior, your attitude. Na makayon ka nga, namiya na gud i-quit, no. But again, just remind yourself now. Never Wednesday or maybe in the middle of something, in the middle of the week, you always remind yourself that you don't give up and things, no. And also have that act of commitment with the things that you already started, no. So yeah, I think that's really the main thing of this episode. Again, balik ko na ako. The thought that I really want to leave today is that don't quit, don't be late, and show commitment. All right. So yeah, and I think that's really the end of my episode. And again, ayaw kalimti, basta maglimpyo, magluto, maghugas, maglaba, magkaon, mag-inusaran. Kanina podcast para sa imo, ha. And I love you all. Salamat sa inyong pagpaminaw. And magkita-kita ta sa sunod na episode. Bye-bye for now. Ciao.